which state of triply ionized beryllium has the same orbital radius as that of the ground state of hydrogen? So beryllium is 3 times, 3 electrons are taken out of beryllium. So triply ionized beryllium is Be3 plus. So now radius of nth orbit is the first Bohr's orbit, ground state orbital radius is r naught into n square by z, n square by z it will be. That is where r naught is the radius of the hydrogen atom in the ground state. Now if Rn to be equal to r naught, then n square should be equal to z, implies n should be equal to root z. For beryllium 3 plus, atomic number is 4. So the second orbital radius of beryllium will be same as the first orbital radius of the hydrogen. So option C is the correct answer.